Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the event horizon of a black hole? Join us on a journey into the most enigmatic objects in the universe. First, let's understand what black holes are and how they come to be. Black holes are regions of spacetime where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They typically form from the remnants of massive stars after a supernova explosion. Since we can't directly see black holes, their presence is inferred by their effects on nearby matter and light, like the powerful X-rays emitted as material falls into them. Now let's talk about the point of no return, the event horizon. The event horizon is the boundary around a black hole beyond which nothing can escape, not even light. It's the ultimate one-way street in the cosmos. As you approach a black hole, the fabric of spacetime itself becomes incredibly warped, causing light to bend and time to slow down. At the very heart of a black hole lies something truly mind-bending, the singularity. The singularity is a point of infinite density, where all the mass of the black hole is concentrated. Our current laws of physics break down at this point. Imagine all the matter of a massive star compressed into an infinitely small point. That's the singularity. Now for a rather gruesome but fascinating phenomenon, spaghettification. If you were to fall into a black hole, the intense gravitational pull would stretch you out like spaghetti, a process known as spaghettification. The gravitational force on your feet would be much stronger than on your head, leading to an extreme stretching effect. Stephen Hawking proposed that black holes aren't entirely black and can actually radiate energy. This phenomenon, known as Hawking radiation, means that black holes slowly lose mass and energy over incredibly long periods. Over eons, black holes will eventually evaporate completely, leaving behind nothing but radiation. Black holes are truly extraordinary and continue to challenge our understanding of physics. Scientists continue to research and explore the mysteries of black holes, hoping to unlock even more secrets about the universe. From their incredible gravity to their eventual evaporation, black holes are a testament to the mind-bending nature of our cosmos.